back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I upload DIY, lifestyle, and life hack videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. As many of you know, this week I am on the East Coast visiting family and friends, and me, my mom, and my grandmother decided to spend an entire day shopping. So of course I brought my camera so I can show you guys what other stores have outside of California. So today's video, we are going over to Burlington, aka the former Burlington Coat Factory. If you didn't know, Burlington is changing its name from Burlington Coat Factory to just Burlington so that customers know they sell way more stuff than just coats. My grandmother said that back in the day, Burlington used to only sell coats, hence the name Burlington Coat Factory. But oh my god guys, they have such amazing cheap home decor, I could not believe it. Originally this video was going to be Burlington, Home Goods, and at home, but I had so much footage at Burlington, I made it its own video. If you haven't been to Burlington recently, you definitely need to go check it out. It is like a combination of Ross, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls all put together. This intro is not gonna be very long. Just make sure that if you are not doing so already, head over to Instagram and follow me. My name is Hello Kristen with 2 N's at the ends. Without further ado, let's go shopping. This mirror is really, really nice. It's super sparkly. Focus, please. And my grandmother's actually getting it in silver and it looks so nice. I'll show it to you then. It's textured. I don't know if you can tell, but it's very nice. Oh, look at these step stools. I love this white one. Wow, their rugs are so big and fluffy. These are such good quality. They're from BB. You should feel them. Oh my god, it's so soft and gushy and good quality. These are $24.99, which is a little pricey, but they are definitely worth it. These big black shaggy, super shaggy pillows are so cool. These are $29.99 each. Here is their furniture. So that one is on sale for $49.99. The one next to it is $79.99, just to give you some ideas about prices. And then of course they have the ottomans, which I love. So these are, that one down there is $99. I don't know about the smaller ones. These ones are $59.99 with the small tufted ones. them.
Yeah.
Oh, those are nice. Ooh, they're so sparkly.
I'm looking for the pumpkins though. There's some pumpkins.
Ooh, these fan things. They're cool. These are so cool. These are really, really neat, actually. These are $14.99 for this size, and I guess you put candles in them? They're really neat. They would look awesome outside. The red apothecary jars? I think that's how you say them. That stuff's really cute for Christmas. These are so nice and big and sparkly. This chair is actually really cool. These are very cute. Look at, they're gold and sparkly, and they actually are like not cheesy looking. You can have for your bathroom. Oh, these are cute. These are very, very cute.
Oh my goodness.
They have like really nice quality fluffy bath rugs. These are like, oh, BB. I'm surprised to see BB in like a thing. Oh, this one's so nice. These are $13.99. Wood slab. I see these everywhere, especially for fall.
$6.99.
$6.99. These are, oh, this is such a nice little tiny one. These look better than the ones at Michael's. You need one. You've been talking about wood slabs.
So I was just gonna look at the other stores and see what they have too. There's
I don't think you're gonna get a better price.
Really?
And that's that size. I don't think I've seen it. Oh, that's a smaller one.
But it's oblong.
Yeah.
I like the shape.
Definitely like this one. I do like that one a lot.
It would look good on them.
Oh, this is only $2.99.
I know, those are super cute too. But I kind of like the other one, how there's all of them in one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wood coasters.
Yeah, I'm gonna make those. That'll fit my top, so I'm gonna make the first one.
$6.99. Oh, these are nice heavy ones. $7.99. These are great, actually. You can actually paint the bottom a different color if you wanted to.
Yeah.
Spray paint it gold.
That's a great idea. I'd put my silver.
Yeah. It was $34.95 and it's on sale for $14.99. Oh, look at the tea thing from Phoebe.
I saw that. That's adorable.
This little teacup is so adorable.
This is super cute too. Just lemon.
Oh yeah.
I don't know, I like that lemon look.
Egg cups. Oh my god, they're cute. Ooh, the turtle's cool. Ooh, it's like shiny. The gold really pops out, and oh, it's
$10.
textured.
And then they have a sea turtle.
Oh god, isn't that cute?
They're very cute for a bathroom or something. I like the shells too.
Yeah, they have, oh, they have like little diamond things on them. They're only $7.99. Yeah, 2 of these together would be really cute.
I like
Of course,
that.
that's a pretty picture too. Guys, this is the mirror that my grandmother got. It is so shiny and sparkly. It was only, what, $14.99? Oh my god, it's so nice. Yes. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.